Hello friends, welcome to Winners Capsule YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are viewing my channel, then here is a short about it. This channel is focusing on making your day-to-day studies easy through simple videos on various topics for all classes under SCERT and CBSE syllabus. Not only that, I used to upload important videos on various competitive examinations. Hope this will help you to win at studies. All the best. Please to support the channel with likes and subscription. If you like my channel, please share it with your friends. In the previous session, I have discussed the fundamental units, derived units, and different type of SI units. In this session, I will be mainly discussing the definition of meter, definition of kilogram, definition of seconds, numerical examples. Students, for your exam point, it is very important. And also if you are appearing for a Viva or any type of competition, this will really help you out. Straight away, let us move on to the definition of meter. As you know that meter, that is a standard unit of one physical quantity called length. Length is a fundamental quantity. Let us define the meter. The meter is the length of the path traveled by the light in vacuum during a time interval of 1 by this much of amount. Okay, you have to write 29 crore, 1 by 29 crore of the second. So this is the way how you can able to define the particular length. Okay, we are going to compare with the path traveled by the light in a vacuum medium. Okay. So this is actually the standard definition of length. Do remember this statement. And you can able to see the different units of length. You can able to mention like kilometer. 1 kilometer will be equal to the 1000 meter. And 1 hectometer, that HM, that is equal to 100 meters. 1 decameter, DAM, that is equal to 10 meter. And normally we'll express meter, SI unit. Okay, this is actually the SI unit. Then decimeter, that is equal to 0.1 meter. Then centimeter, 0.01 meter. Then millimeter is equal to 1 millimeter is equal to 0.001 meter. 1 micrometer is equal to 0.00001 meter. Nanometer is equal to this much. Or else you can write one more thing. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to, in terms of 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. This is also possible. In 7th standard, you must have studied 10 raised to 2 or 10 to the power minus 2. Likewise, you must have studied. For example, 1 micrometer. 1 micrometer, mu m. 1 mu m equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Minus 6 meter. Depends on the zero position. You can count the zero. Look at this. After this point, how many places are there? 1 nanometer. Likewise, I can write 1 nm. 1 nanometer is nothing but 1 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Likewise, I can able to write. It is possible. Okay. Just for your information, I have written in this manner. Or else you can write in the decimal, just like a fraction also. Both are acceptable. Some textbook in CBSE textbooks and I have seen like 1 millimeter is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Likewise, you can also follow. Now I wanted to discuss about the definition of kilogram. How do you define a 1 kg or kilogram? So let us define. The kilogram is the mass of prototype cylinder of platinum iridium alloy preserved at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sevres near Paris, European country. The prototype of cylinder of platinum iridium alloy is shown over here. You can able to have a look. This is actually one of the standard thing. Okay, so you are going to compare the kilogram with 1 kilogram is equivalent to the mass of prototype. It's a hardware prototype of a cylinder of platinum iridium alloy preserved at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sevres near Paris. So that is the exact definition of kilogram, which is acceptable by the world or universe, or we can say globe. Let us define the second. It's a standard unit, or you can call SI unit of time, obviously. 1 second is the time taken by this much of oscillations of the light emitted by one of the element, namely cesium-133 atom. Okay, so that is the definition of second. So you have to remember the definition. 1 second is the time taken by this much of oscillations of the light emitted by cesium-133 atom. So this you have to remember. Okay. Now we have to do some numerical example. So these are the numerical examples. This will really help you out for mathematics and engineering, those who are opting engineering, anyway, fundamental things and different examination also. This you must know. Okay, as a school student, you must know the following numerical example. So 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 1 minute is nothing but it is 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? It is basically 60 minutes, correct? 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60. 60 into 60. What is the value of 60 into 60? That means 3600. 3600 seconds. Please note down it properly. 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. Let me ask one question. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Therefore, 1 second is equal to how many hours? So I'll be writing the answer here. 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hours. 1 year is equal to dash day. Can you able to imagine? 1 year is equal to 365.25 day. 1 year is equal to how many seconds? 3.156 into 10 to the power 7 seconds. And you can able to say 1 second equal to how many year. Likewise also you can able to write it. So please note down this fact. Very important for all the field of day-to-day life. Okay, this is most important and please note down. So 1 kg. You must have studied in lower class also. Anyway, you have to recall 1 kg while solving the numerical problem also it is required. 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to how many kg? 1 gram. That means 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kg. Or else I can write 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. This is also acceptable. Whichever you comfortable, you can choose. 1 ton is equal to dash kilogram. 1 ton. 1 ton is equal to obviously 1000 kilogram. Or else I can write it as 10 to the power 3 kilogram. That is also acceptable. Whichever you comfortable, you can choose. 1 Kindle is equal to 100 grams. Or else 10 to the power 2 grams. 1 carrot. What is the value of 1 carrot? You have to identify 1 carrot. So this I will give it as a homework. Anyway, no problem. 1 carrot is equal to, you can remember. Homework I have given in the end of the session. 200 milligram. 1 carrot is equal to 200 milligram. So likewise, you have to find out some conversion, unit conversion. That is very important for solving numerical example. And let us solve few more. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 to the power 3 meter, or you can call 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to how many kilogram? 1 meter is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3, or else I can write 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kilometer, or 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilometer. 1 feet is equal to dash centimeter. 1 feet is nothing but 30.48. 30.48 centimeter. 1 yard is equal to how many meters? 1 yard is equal to 0.9144. 9144 meter. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 degree is equal to how many radian? That means pi by 180. Pi divided by 180 radian. And vice versa. You can write in vice versa also. Hope this is useful. And whenever numerical problem comes, you can apply the same concept. Remember that every time we use the SI units. So please solve the numerical example and kindly put up in the comment box. I'll tell you whether the answer is right or not. So please practice in your home so that you will be getting a good idea and we can solve so many number of problems. Let me know if you are having any questions. You can put up in the comment box. Surely I will revert. In the coming session, I am going to discuss the various rules of writing SI units, then use of SI prefixes, practical unit of measuring length, mass, area, and time. These are the things I will be discussing in the coming sessions. Finally, thank you for watching this video.